that there is no turbidity. So what volume of water do we examine?
100 ml.
100 ml of water. So what kind of medium is this? Would you stop talking loud?
Kessler's medium.
Would you all please stop talking so loud?
Kessler's medium.
What do we add there? The Kessler's medium.
Lactose broth.
Sorry?
Lactose broth.
Yeah, there's a lactose brought some sugar that's supposed to be fermented with acid and gas formation. And
For
the
2
result
days
of
at
bacterial
37 degrees
growth,
Celsius.
yes, is the turbidity. If you don't have turbidity, then what is your conclusion?
If we don't have turbidity, so ma'am, there is no bacterial growth.
Yeah, because the assumption is that
Yes,
should be
yes.
no any
Bacterial
growth of coliform bacteria in 100 ml of water.
Yes.
So if we see the growth, the coli index or number of coliforms will be higher than 3 in 1 liter of water.
Yes.
If you don't have growth here, so water is okay. So it can be used as a source of drinking water.
Yes.
All sanitary tests are very simple, easy to perform and to read, because usually lab assistants perform these tests or not doctors, so it should be very easy and not so expensive. Because this is for everyday routine monitoring of the water sources. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sit down. So, but you need to know what are coliforms.
Yes.
Okay? Then, number 3. Bhavan Raj.
Ma'am, estimate the coliform numbers and
Method.
yeah. Ma'am,
So, Manpreet, how do we call this method?
Kessler's
Method. Method.
medium.
Yes. How do we call that test, Bhavan Raj?
Ma'am. Membrane filtration test.
Membrane
Filtration, yes.
Yeah. How do we perform
Third
membrane
test is
filtration?
filtration test.
Ma'am, we have to take the water sample 3 ml.
100 ml of water.
Yes, ma'am. Then we pass through the membrane for the filter. Then we have to transfer the bacteria to the solid end medium in a place.
Bacteria will be trapped by membrane.
Yes,
So
yes.
we place the membrane on the medium. How do we call the medium? Close this. Close this now. Close it. Okay. He has his own. How do we call the medium?
Ma'am, we have endo medium inoculation.
Okay.
Then we have to incubate
Yes.
24 hours for 37 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Then, ma'am,
Then
here is 100 ml. One number of positive colonies.
so now read the result.
Ma'am, here in the volume of water is 100 ml. The number of lactose positive is 1 we have.
So how do you know whether this is the colony formed by lactose fermenters or non-lactose fermenters?
Ma'am, I'm comparing with both. Ma'am, here is the 1 positive colonies appear.
Again, how do you distinguish lactose fermenters and non-lactose fermenters that grow on the end of?
Ma'am, with the red color form of red color colonies in there.
Okay, so because the acidification
Show,
of
Bhavan.
due to the sugar fermentation, they form bright red color.
Red color, yeah. Here is.
If the
Here.
sugar is non-fermented, then
Ma'am, then there will be
the
no
colonies,
positive.
no, the colonies can be pale in the color of the medium, but not bright red.
Yeah.
So they will be pale pink like this,
Yeah.
like the medium. Okay, so what is your conclusion about water?
Conclusion.
You found the one colony or coliform in 100
Another
ml of water. What is your conclusion about water?
It can be drinking water. Not in swimming pool.
Huh?
Not drinking water, swimming pool we can drink.
How do you know?
Ma'am, because ma'am, because
How
of
to calculate? If you pass 100 ml and the norm is not more than 3 in 1000 milliliters. You found 1 in 100 ml.
yeah.
So then, how many then you will find in 1 liter? 10.
10.
Yeah.
Which is very much.
So it means if you found in 100 ml, so we can.
We should be minimum 3.
Yeah. But we may have at least 3,
Yeah.
but not more.
Well,
Okay?
so that's only can
Done.
not.
Then sit down. Number 4. Achieve. Number 4. Achieve.
1000 होगा ना 1 लीटर में.
Calculate the total number of microbial number in
दूसरे का नहीं लिखा.
cube
टोटल
of classroom
इसमें से देख के लिख सकते.
What bacteria do we determine? Particular bacteria, group of bacteria, or what? So from here you see that this water is bad and this water is good. Go ahead.
Ma'am, first we want to calculate the x equal to
What microbes are you going to find? A particular microbe or group of microbes?
group of
What, how do you describe this group?
Ma'am, first we want to find the colonies.
How to describe the group that you examine, whether they are in the air or not?
Ma'am, first we want to calculate the number of microbes into
Yeah.
1 liter.
Joel, what group of microbes do you determine? Ajit, what group of microbes do you examine?
Like aerobes, mesophilic.
Aerobes and facultative anaerobic bacteria, mesophilic, because the only those that are
20 to
mesophilic can
45.
be shed from human body, and we check the quality of our air. All mesophils that are there are shed from the human body. So that's why for us this is the reflection of the contamination of air by our own bacteria. Okay? So, tell me about the method.
First we want to calculate the x equal to a into
Don't read the formula. Explain the principle of this method.
First we want to
Could you please get a plate? Have you seen a plate? No.
Now we want to find it in
How do we call the method?
this method is sedimentation.
Okay, this was how do we perform this test, this method?
Sedimentation method.
Now we want to use the formula
Not yet. Go shut up.
No, we can examine by sedimentation method.
Tell me about the sedimentation method.
It was that number of bacteria equivalent to 10 liters
How
of
do we perform it?
Ma'am, 10 liter equal to 10.
Tell me, how do we perform the method? What we do?
First we take the plate and first we take the plate and we want to prepare
With
the other
nutritional medium.
nutritional medium and we want to
Place it on horizontal surface. Open it, and what will happen within next 5 minutes?
Other bacteria will come.
incubation. 100 centimeter of agar surface.
What will so we open? What we waiting for? What we are waiting for? Christmas.
Ma'am, we want to make the
We should perform something here.
yes, ma'am.
So should we inoculate bacteria?
No, no, no.
Come back, Burshanam, come up here. What we are waiting for? Christmas. What we are waiting for? So we open. What to do? So there's nothing is here. There's just fresh agar. What we are waiting for? With open lid.
Environmental bacteria.
Okay. What they do?
Colonies will form. Yeah, it will. Yes, ma'am, it will come to the
Under
gravity.
the gravity.
Gravity, yes, ma'am.
This is called sedimentation under the gravity. Because we may have a device which pump the air through the filter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Or through the plate. But this is without impeachment. Yeah? Impeachment.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is under the gravity. Bacteria particles, they fall down the surface.
Yes, ma'am.
And within 10 minutes, how many bacteria drop the plate? So that was the statistic calculation that showed that
5250 CFU.
within 5 minutes,
Yes, ma'am.
the bacteria from what volume? From what volume?
Like those
Yeah.
1,000.
1,500.
Per liter meter cube
From
of air.
the
1 meter
bacteria
cube.
from 10 liters of air drop down the surface 100 square centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
10
Yeah?
liter.
During
That will be bacteria from 10 liter of air.
Yes, ma'am.
So the total microbial number is measured in what volume of air?
10 liter.
10 decimeter cube.
10 decimeter cube, ma'am.
So 1 meter cube. Yeah?
1
It's
meter.
measured in 1 meter
You
cube.
said you measured in. I thought what do you have to take? Okay. 1 meter cube.
1 meter cube is equal to
So then, but we have in 10 liters. So we should multiply by 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the surface of the plate is more or less than 100 square centimeters. How do you think?
42.
Yes, ma'am. Less.
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 80.
no,
Yeah?
42.
Where is written 42?
Again,
Tell me, where is written 42?
Count it only.
So, but I ask about surface in square centimeters. It is 80, even approximate. So we should consider it in our formula, that this is less than 100 square centimeters.
80 centimeters.
So then we count the colony formation units. How many colony formation units have you found?
42.
42. Then 42 is used as X or A. Sorry. Yes?
Yeah, I got
So
that.
when you put A42 into the formula, then how many?
5250.
5?
250 CFU per meter cube.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
सही तरह
5
in the 100.
मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ा हाँ
Four
और जो 80 बताया
units
80 बताया जनरल है
for
80 तो
cubic
बताया
meter. And the allowable standard
Surface of battery dish,
is
yeah.
in winter and 4.5 in summer.
5250.
So then, so still the doors is open and weather, so according to the winter, so the air is safe.
Yes, ma'am.
So not higher than
7
allowable
7.5.
standard, because this 5.5. Okay?
Yes.
So the conclusion is the air is suitable for breathing.
air which is having 4500 is suitable
45 in
summer.
summer.
in summer
Summer.
and in winter 7500
Because
we have 5 to 5
have different standards in summer and winter. Get to your
so it means our is suitable only in winter
No.
5 to 50
Yeah,
It is
when we measure, if we measure it in winter, the allowable standard is 7.5 wide.
yes ma'am.
Because when it is very cold, we don't perform the ventilation usually, yes?
yes ma'am.
So, then, to lower this, every day the UV light sterilization of the room should be performed.
Yes.
In the hospitals, in the reception rooms, in the hospitals, in the kindergartens, in the students' rooms, everywhere, yeah? So otherwise the total microbial number will be too high, yes? Okay. Now the question.
Now what's the conclusion, Erin?
So normal, the air is normal.
Air is normal, that's the
It meets the
conclusion.
standard.
air is
It should be not more than 7.5 thousand
Understood, ma'am.
in 1 cubic meter. Yes? Okay. Now the question is, Manpreet, what is the most important in IMO for the air? IMO for air. For air. Indicate a microorganism for air, not for water, but for the air. For the air. No. Take a look at the criteria for hospitals. It should be somewhere. Oh, maximum number of air microorganisms allowable in healthcare facilities.
Yes,
Reception, tratata, and so on.
1500.
सामने लगी है लास्ट वाला कीजिए
मेरे को भी कम लगी
So, what
less than
the microbe is mentioned here?
Staphylococcus aureus Staphylococcus
Can you see? Staphylococcus aureus. That is the most important IMO for the ear. So, how using sedimentation under the gravity method can we find the number of Staphylococcus aureus in 1 cubic meter of the ear?
क्लिक है
Here the medium is LPA.
yes ma'am meat bacteria
Okay. So how can we check? Not all. Can you see that
orange
at the first site around 5-6 different types of colonies? So it means mainly we have around the 6 different types of the microbes. How can we check Staphylococcus aureus number? By culture. Where? Yeah, this is also
Pre-culture. by separating it only
It
step
takes very long, yeah? what approach can we use to let only Staphylococcus aureus grow
stab.
here, but not others?
Stroke culture.
Who is medium?
Yolk salt medium.
Oh, we should use yolk salt medium. Because the only Staphylococcus aureus will be growing there. The other guys, Serratia and Aerococcus and Micrococcus will not grow there because they don't want salt or high osmotic pressure. So we expose it for the year.
Salt.
Then the only Staphylococcus aureus will give colony formation units or colonies. Then we count if there are any Staphylococci there or not. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
By varying the type of the medium, we may selectively selectively grow particular groups of microbes, but not all. That's the importance of using selective medium. Так, okay, it's done. Так. This team gains competition.